Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you want to create a group chat to chat with a bunch of people at the same time, what you want to do is open up the Messages app and then press this icon on the bottom right to create a new chat, and select the people which you want to add to this group chat by pressing the plus icon on the top right, and then just selecting all of the people that you want to add. So there we go. And then you're going to have to send a message to start the group chat. So just send out anything like test, and once you send the message, the group chat is going to be created, and this message is going to be sent out to everyone that's added to the group. So here, as you can see, these are all of the people that I have added. You can now edit the name of the group chat and the profile picture or the group icon by pressing on the name of the chat on the top, then pressing edit name on photo, and here you can change the name. I'm going to name this test group 123. You can also change the profile icon, like the icon of the group chat, by either taking a photo, selecting one of the existing photos, selecting an emoji, or like typing in text. So select any of those. Once you're done, press the checkmark icon on the top right. Here you can see the name of the group chat has changed, so test group 123. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.